What is up, everybody? I'm here with Dougly Designs to show you how I made a vase like this one. Actually, this exact one, using epoxy resin and layer after layer of blue jeans that I cut up and then made into a turning blank and turned on a lathe. I'll take you step by step to show you how I did it and how you can too, if you wanted to, but why would you? You're probably not insane like me. Because honestly, who does this? Whose idea was this? I'm not taking credit for it. But still, if you decided that you wanted to do it at home, you're going to need a lathe, you're going to need some chisels, you're going to need epoxy resin, you're going to need a mold to put this epoxy resin and the layers of blue jeans into. You're going to need scissors to cut up your blue jeans, and of course you're going to need your old ruined blue jeans. Or you could go to the craft store and get denim, that'll probably be cheaper. Or you could use your old skinny jeans, because seriously, man, just give it up. It's over. Please. And afterward, you'll probably need a little bit of therapy, because again, this is insane. But still, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this in the future, there's a subscribe button right over there. And there's also a little notification bell that lets you know whenever my stuff goes live. Without further ado, let's get into the steps.
Yeah. Seen some better days on my night. Pray that you gon' make it out. Be alright. Keep that head up and stack your bread up. Right now it's catch up, but when we get there, we won't let up. This is like 15, I've been holding on to the big dreams I got going on. What you poppin', what you blasting? Kept on asking, now they turned it up and dancing. It's the end, bigger my dream, bigger my thoughts. I feel like I breathe and spitting this off. I couldn't see, but still had to walk. Then when we last, right? This is the action, right? I'm gonna do it till I'm drunk, but this is the passion, right? This is the love to feedback, everything we need. Put the blues on top of the bed to watch it bleed. How you wanna do this? Look at your friends, I'm thinking they do this. How about the whip and now watch it get rolled? This got me some dripping, just came from the jewelers, yeah. What is the rest? What is the rest? What is the recipe? Killing the rest of this next to me. You finna get left if you testing me. Whoa, you gon' make it, don't you worry, you gon' make it. I'm cashing out like Vegas, walking down there aggravated. Ride around, I'm fascinated, don't get too captivated. Lose your head decapitated, made a rack, they tax the payment. I'm in the ocean, I keep on swimming, heart is wide open. They keep on looking like I ain't been hoping. Got no my fist, but I show no emotion, yeah. Follow your dreams, what is your dreams? What is your destiny? We want the green, we want the cream, what you expect to be? Whoa, you gon' make it, don't you worry, you gon' make it. I'm cashing out like Vegas, walking down there aggravated. Ride around, I'm fascinated, don't get too captivated. Lose your head decapitated, made a rack, they tax the payment. They want us to fail, but tell them we up. I've been through some hell, but that made me tough. Yeah, you showed me life, but it don't seem right. People losing who they are and acting different cause of light. Yeah, tell me what really motivates you. Type of things are probably gonna change you. You keep it solid, and I keep it solid. Don't tell me you sorry, just tell me you got it. This be the truth for real. You gotta choose to heal. The way you improve is will. Do it, do it, do it, do it. They think I won't, I know I will. Do it, do it, do it, do it. They think I won't, I know I will. Wanna grow, gotta have patience. Wealth is created, they don't understand why I waited. Told them that the seeds were never wasted. I hope that you're happy. Money can't purchase the ones that you miss, but make all your memories bliss. Sometimes I wish I could forget. I hope that you're happy, even though life can get nasty. Can't even trust your own family. Yeah. I wish it wasn't like this, but that's just hopes and dreams. They say that love is priceless. Yeah, but mine's always cost it. Never met someone pure-hearted. Used to be close, we departed. Relationship broke that we started. I hope that you're happy. that you're happy. Yeah, don't be deceived by what goes wrong. Water your seeds till they grow strong. Don't give up on dreams when it's hard to hold on. Have faith and believe this is how you move on. You'll make it through. We all can lose faith, but faith is our glue. Yeah, you'll make it through. Wait a second, I'm on my grind, but I never seem to get the credit. I hold it down, even when they say I'm not respected. Yeah. You can hate it, that's okay. You don't need to stay. Ooh, why you judge so much? You don't love enough. Ooh, talk about my pain. Ooh, that's what you call strength. Bury me in dirt. Whoa, this grave can't hold me down. Push through all the hurt. When they hope you drown, send me love, cause I'ma send it back. I used to not just give her up, because they stabbed my back. Doubted every single person after that. Hard to trust these people that's gon' meet you cause you been attacked. Slowly start to realize everyone ain't wicked hearted. Been outsmarted, so I'm guarded from these snakes up in my garden.
Alright, I'm here with the finished product. You can see the layers and layers of blue jeans. You could probably also see some air bubbles that the pressure pot didn't take out. You can tell that the clear epoxy that I used in between each layer is turned to a dark color, kind of a black. What you could do if you were going to make something like this is add some pigments to it to color your vase or cup or lampshade or whatever you may want to make into you know, something more colorful. You can see the inside here. What I did with the base, I had to hollow it out so that I could fit it onto a chuck, and whenever I was completely finished I just added a layer of some clear epoxy. You may want to make it look more uniform. You could just follow the same steps, make a cylinder and then plug it with that little cylinder. You know, this was just a proof of concept, because I had a lot of blue jeans that I had ruined years ago, and I wanted to do something like this, and it just took me a long time to get to the point where I could. So just get creative, find something that you want to do, and do it. It doesn't matter if it makes any sense or not. Just follow your dreams. Alright, there we go.